Hey guys, so I get emails quite a bit about what I offer, what I can provide to the Pescador PRO 100 and 120 community. So if you haven't watched my other videos on the do-it-yourself motor install, go back and watch those, a series of 5 videos to kind of show you all the bits and pieces and parts that I use. 95% of that stuff you can get at your local stores, hardware stores, Lowe's, Home Depot. Some of the stuff you got to order offline, and then just the bracket that you got to make, or you can order the bracket from me. What this video is about is just going over kind of what I offer. Right now it's 3 different setups. I've got a bare mount, which comes with no hardware. It's for the do-it-yourselfer. It's not painted. It will have holes drilled in it, so you can let me know if you don't want the holes drilled in it, but by default it will come with holes drilled, no paint, no hardware. Those I'm selling for 100 bucks plus 20 bucks for priority shipping. And all my mounts usually take about, I tell everybody, 10 days. They're usually made a lot quicker than that, but I just tell everybody 10 days so that nobody gets their hopes up that you know, they're going to be getting it within a day or two. They are custom made. They're all hand built. There's no production assembly line or anything like that. So I don't keep a lot of them around. From time to time, I'll have 1 or 2 in stock, but normally I don't. So they're built as they're ordered. So let me show you guys, or I will show you here in a second what I'm talking about, but three different setups. You got the bare mount, and then we'll have one called a mount kit, which is basically just the mount. It will come painted, and it will come with all the hardware that you need to mount it to the kayak. It'll come with a safety pin for the motor, and it will come with the electrical connector. So all these by default will be for Motor Guide R3s that you can pick up from Walmart for 129 bucks. They raised their price 30 bucks recently, so 129 bucks you can get the motor. The mount kit will be 165 bucks plus 20 bucks for shipping. And then the third package that I will offer will be the complete front to back minus a battery. So all the hardware, all the bits and pieces. If you see my other videos, all those everything you need, all those little parts, everything bagged, ready to go. The PWM panel will be already built, ready to slide in the kayak. The motor will already be built, all the holes drilled, all the hardware attached. So when you get it, all you got to do is drill a bunch of holes in your kayak and then install it, watch my videos, and provide your own battery. And so those kits will be $550, and I'm guesstimating shipping approximately 65 bucks. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about, so everybody's on the same page, and this will clear up some things as far as if you guys are sending me emails trying to get pricing and whatnot. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so this would be a bare mount, no paint, no hardware. You're going to get exactly what I'm holding in my hand. One piece of metal. It's a 1/4 inch aluminum. It will come pre-drilled. You can request to not get it drilled if you don't want. They will not come with this hole in them. This is actually going to get ready to be painted, and it's going out as a kit for my mount kit, but it will not come with this big hole in it, which is for the electrical connector. This would be the mount kit, which would be painted, all hardware. You've got all your well nuts, you got your electrical connector, you got the bolts to move the handle forward, and you've got the safety pin. So those are the 2 options on the mounts. That's $100, that's $165, plus 20 bucks shipping on both those. Now I will show you the full kit. All right guys, so this is the full kit. This will be everything. It's 550 bucks plus shipping. I'm guessing around 65 bucks depending on where you live. You're gonna get the motor. If you watch my other 5 videos, you know the process I go through, drilling the holes and attaching everything. It's gonna come already all done. So you've got your steering controls, your tilt, your electrical connector, and your safety pin with a safety harness on it. It's going to come with the mount kit, with the exception that this will include the wire for the mounting. It's going to include all the well nuts, everything. It's also going to include the PWM panel, all the screws that you need to mount it, all the foam tape. It's going to include all of your connectors labeled, front and back. It's also going to include the battery cable. So run this up to the front of the kayak. You got your grommet, and also it's going to come with a prop. It's got your tilt. So this is all the hose that I use for the tilts, the handle, the pulley, the clam cleat, screws, well nuts, all that stuff's in that bag. And then your foot controls. So you got your stainless steel cable, your hoses, the brass connectors that I use, everything, all the screws, cable tie downs, everything that you've seen in the video will come in this kit. I've got as much of it plug and play as I can. It's it's already built. You won't have to do much other than drill the holes in the kayak, line everything up, run the cabling, and get it mounted. The other thing that I do before I send these out is I bench test them. So I will have your plate screwed down to my bench, your motor on that plate, and your PWM all connected to my battery. And I will run through and test everything, test the speeds, test reverse, make sure everything is working before I send it out. So that's everything that you see in my videos. $550 plus shipping. You provide your own tools, your own labor, and your own battery. What I will be doing here shortly is putting this kit, just as you see it on my bench, into a kayak and making a video to help you guys out if you want to order the kit. That way to be a little bit more specific on exactly what you'll have to do. That way, if you do order the kit, then that will help you out, and that will kind of be your instruction video. So there you go. 3 options: bare mount, mount kit, and complete kayak kit. $100, $165, and $550. So give me an email and let me know if you guys are interested, and I will see you later. All right, guys, so those are the 3 options. You can email me and we'll work out how you want to pay. Basically, I do PayPal with everybody, and I update everybody usually with pictures, status updates. I mean, if you're ordering just a mount, I'll probably just email you and let you know, an approximate time, when it's going to be available and when it'll ship, and then I will email you a tracking number. If you order the mount kit, same thing. I'll send you a picture. Usually we'll email you, let you know, hey, it's expected 1 or 2 days out, and then it always takes me on the kits. It usually takes me 1 or 2 days to paint them, get all the parts together, and then on the kits, the full kit, front to back kit, those will definitely take me in the 10-day range, just because I've got a lot of work to do to get those ready for you and testing it. And I'll send you a video of the actual bench test, so you'll get a video of your kit on the bench, tested, ready to go. So 10 days usually is about what it takes at the most. You'll get I stay in constant contact with you. PayPal is always good, and so just email me. My contact information is at the end of this video, and I'll also put it in the down in the description, so you guys can get a hold of me. All right, thanks guys.